Okay.
Hmm.
Mind. Mind is the most interesting thing of the world, because of which we have reached this stage, only because of mind. Today we are watching development of our world, strategies, technology, society, rules. They are we see just because of one thing, and that is mind or human mind. Here I am talking about mind, not a brain. Human mind and human brain are totally different things. Mind is associated with brain. Talking about brain is one of human body functions that we can see it, we can touch it, or even we can feel it. Talking about mind, we can't see it or touch it. Mind is not physically existed in the human body, but still he is. And we can feel that, and we can feel that, because of that, we humans are so developed today only because of mind. There was no proper definition of mind. Mind is the ability to the awareness of things, or mind is ability to remember things, ability to focus the thoughts, judgmental opinion, views, desire. um, all these things are indicated minds. Mind is a healthy mental state. There are three parts of mind. First was conscious mind, second subconscious mind, and a third unconscious mind or superconscious mind. Uh, the conscious mind. Talking about the conscious mind, it is a conscious mind is a it is a really uh, conscious mind. We can manipulated that. That is, if you that if you can change your mind when you take someone's advice. That part of your mind mostly familiar, because someone said in our conversation, my mind. That was a very familiar word to us. We have do right now. We have do what you do right now. We attend a lecture, see video talking about mind, observe what going on around us. All these things happen because of the conscious mind. Because of conscious mind, that is mean conscious mind say teach us what you say, what your body react is teach us a conscious mind. Talking about subconscious mind, is a part that mind where our past memory or our past memory is keep it. For example, um, we which topic we discussed previous day. When we think which topic we discussed previous day, we thinking about that, and then we remember which topic we discussed previous day. And that place, that coming for that memory coming from there, that part is called subconscious mind. When I ask you, how educated are you, or um, what which movie you watch last week or last month, that all things right now not in your mind. But when I ask you uh, that questions, then my mind was remembering that things, and remembering that things, that all things are coming from the conscious mind, from that place is called conscious subconscious mind. talking about unconscious mind, that was a very complicated thing for me. The conscious mind, there is a big topic uh, for itself. The conscious mind is a creator of dreams. Um, Talking about the mind problems, that's called a mental disorder mental disorder or mental illness. There was so many types of mental disorder like depression, uh, depression
Depression.
depression, not depreciation, depression, OCD, PTSD, personality disorder, anxiety disorder, uh, and many more. That all mental disorders due to uh, uh, that all the mental disorders due to reason of stress is a feeling of emotionals or a feeling of physical tensions. It can come from any thought that make you feel frustrated, that make you feel stress, angry, nervous. Stress is a stress is your body reaction to a demand. Uh, to a demand, uh, there are so many symptoms of stress like headache, chest pain, high blood pressure, or some stomach problems. And so many people manage that stress, uh, do unhealthy behavior doing unhealthy behaviors like drinking so much alcohol, gambling, smoking, um, and using drugs. It is a natural and normal to be a stressed sometimes, but long time you stress, that is affect your life. That is affect your life. That's why you try to relax your mind and managing stress using a few simple strategies like meditation is a great way to distract your mind from the stress. Practice deep breathing. um, Maintain good nutrition, get enough sleep, keep your body healthy, keep your mind peaceful, exercise regularly, all do all things to stressful your lives. But you feel overcomes, take your doctor advice. Finish, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Really unimaginable speech. I think you prepared a lot for this one because it's not easy to speak on mind easily. And if you have this kind of knowledge and information about the mind and speaking on it, it's quite difficult. I knew that. Um so almost you spoke 8 minutes continuously. Yes, 8 minutes continuously. Very good. Excellent preparations.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Keep it up. Keep it up. Excellent. You're going extremely uh, well. Next,